Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Miss Morena, and for today's video, I am gonna be showing you the easiest and simplest way on how to cook pork menudo. So, this is a province style of cooking pork menudo, guys. So, if you're interested to watch, just keep on watching. For the ingredients, we have pork meat, soy sauce, ground pepper, tomato sauce, potato, carrots, garlic and onion, and salt. You can also add pig liver, a half piece of lemon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 pieces of hot dogs, and dried bay leaves. Combine the soy sauce and pepper in a bowl and mix it. Or you can also add lemon. And if you have a lot of time, you can marinate this for at least an hour. Saute garlic and onion, and please excuse the pan that we use. Now it's time for us to add the marinated pork and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Once the pork is already cooked, we can now add our carrots. After a minute of adding our carrots, we can now add our potato. Mix it well. And now for the last step, it's time for us to add our tomato sauce. Mix it well and wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and our pork menudo is ready to serve. And now here is our pork menudo recipe. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Bye everyone!